David Ogilvy once famously said, "A good advertisement is one which sells products without drawing attention to itself." But someone whose advertisements have drawn a lot of attention not only to the product but also to the brilliance behind the ad itself is Lata Menon. Married to famous cinematographer Rajiv Menon, this is Lata's story of fame by frame. Lata Menon has the credits of 100 ad films and over a dozen documentaries to her name. Lata's more than a decade-long journey in the world of creativity has been eventful, to say the least. From grabbing the audience's attention in less than 30 seconds by her advertisements to playing out reality as it is in her documentaries, this famous storyteller has done it all.
After I passed out of college from Sophia's, where I had completed my mass communications, I had joined films department in advertising agencies at that time, and it was a period of liberalization, and it threw open a lot of opportunities to people like us, where you could start your own production house, and that's how my Iris Films was set up.
Lata's ad firm, Iris Films, has scripted novel concepts for eminent clients like Aircel, Arokya, Muthoot and Spins. Lata admits that the biggest challenge for an ad today is to hook the audience, especially with their attention span of a 2-year-olds. But her mantra for success is infallible.
You have to have the audience viewing your commercial over and over again. Sometimes commercials play out over a year, and the whole thing is to discover a little detail each time when you view the commercial. So that's where lies the challenge of the ad filmmaker. So each time when you create a commercial, it's like you're writing your first story all over again. So it's not that you've mastered the art even if you're 10 years in the profession. You've got to discover new ways of telling the story. And that's primarily by the concept that you create, or the whole location, or the kind of casting, the kind of music that you interplay with. It keeps you on your feet, this whole profession,
Paint Champion, German formula கொண்ட ஒரே பிரீமியம் டிடர்ஜென்ட் வில்லை. இது மிக கடினமான கரைகளையும் நீக்கும்.
ജീവിതം ഓരോ നിമിഷവും ആസ്വദിക്കുവാൻ രുചിയുള്ള കടുപ്പം.
ഇവയെല്ലാം നന്നായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ നന്നായി ശ്വസിക്കണം.
For Lata, being a woman has never been a stumbling block. Her passion for the art has always helped her cruise her way to fame against cutthroat competition in this predominantly male world of filmmaking.
I never really thought about my gender when I got into the field. I kind of enjoyed, originally I started out with advertising and marketing. That's how I got into the field. And then, filmmaking became part of my passion as well. And this field is the most kind of encouraging field for a person of any category, be it caste, creed, gender. It does not touch any of these issues. You can be a Muslim, you can be a Hindu, you could be a Christian. They don't look down on you. If you're talented, you can make it.
While dynamics is all that defines Lata's professional life of ad filmmaking, she has also successfully tried her hand at many short films and documentaries. Documentaries like Oru Irayan Payanam, which is a story of fading handloom tradition in Tamil Nadu, and Adisaya Punnagai, which is an interesting take on adoption, are Lata's way of representing the reality.
Many issues, there are many social causes that you can portray. You can also talk about a particular issue. Like the particular documentaries that I've done have covered adoption. It's covered the plight of handloom weavers. It's spoken about the element of rainwater harvesting in a city like Chennai. So that you can cover these various issues which you really can't kind of cover them in a feature film.
டாக்டர் தான் டோன்ட் லூஸ் ஹோப்னு சொன்னாங்கல்ல, எதுக்கு நம்ம இப்போ அடாப்ஷன் பற்றி யோசிக்கணும்? எனக்கு ஒன்றும் அது சரி வரும்னு தோணலை.
ஆமாம்மா, அதே டாக்டர் தான் சொன்னாங்க ஒரு குழந்தை அடாப்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்கன்னு. நம்மளும் எத்தனை நாள் வரைக்கும் குழந்தை பிறக்குன்னு வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க போகிறோம்? பாரு, பேசாமல் ஒரு குழந்தை அடாப்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
உங்கள் அப்ளிகேஷனை பார்த்துருக்கோம், எல்லாம் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக தான் இருக்குது, எங்களுக்கு திருப்தியாக இருக்குது.
தேங்க்யூ மேடம்.
இப்போ நீங்கள் ஏதாவது கேள்வி கேட்கணும்?
இல்லை, குழந்தை எப்போ கிடைக்கும்னு தெரியணும்.
நாங்கள் உங்களை இப்போ தானே பார்த்துருக்கோம். எங்ககிட்ட இருக்கிற பேபிஸில் உங்களுக்கு மேட்ச் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்கான்னு நாங்கள் பார்த்து உங்கள்கிட்ட காமிப்போம். உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா நீங்கள் மெடிக்கல் சஜஷன் போகணும்.
நான் ஏற்கனவே டாக்டர்கிட்ட பேசிட்டேன் மேடம்.
உங்களை பார்த்ததுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு சூட் ஆகிற மாதிரி ஒரு பேபி இருக்குது தோன்றுறது. நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் நேரம் வெயிட் பண்ணினேன்னாக்கா நாங்கள் காட்டுறோம்.
We have some very good news for you.
We have twin babies, boy and girl. உங்களுக்கு twins okay தானே?
We'll be very happy to have them. நமக்கு பொன் குழந்தை தான் பிறக்க போகுது.
குழந்தைக்கு பேரெல்லாம் யோசிச்சுட்டேங்க போல இருக்கு.
ஓ, யோசிச்சுட்டுமே. அப்சரா, அபி, மாயா.
ஓகே ஓகே, போதும்.
தேங்க்யூ.
All the best.
யாருக்கும் புரியாத புன்னகை ரகசியம்.
Enjoy doing documentaries. It's another passion with me because as in any form of film, it's basically you're able to touch people's lives, be it docus, be it ads, be it features, the whole intention is to be able to touch people's lives, and that I enjoy doing.
A journey this long and in a field like this is never short of interesting anecdotes. Lata has many stories to share that vouch for her secret mantra to success. Quick thinking is smart thinking.
I had this huge train which was lined up in the track, plus I had Simran who just gave me exactly about, I would say, 18 hours, which was split into 2 days, where she exactly would come at 10 and leave at 6. No matter how much I begged her, she would leave at 6, and I had to complete such a larger than life commercial because there's a train, there's a crowd, there are people. And while we were shooting, and it was supposed to be a dance kind of commercial, my client suddenly got a change of idea and he suddenly called me and he said, no, I don't want dance in it. Where we had practiced the movements, we had done all that, and we are on the track and we have a change of idea. So what do we do? I'm perplexed, and I have all this, the whole crew, which is like 60 plus people, all waiting for me to make a decision. And it's so hot and I'm so mad, but I've got to take it forward, right? And then we completely, in a span of just 15 minutes, we completely do a twist and change the idea, and you know, you got to work on your feet. Basically, that's the whole attitude you've got to have.
For Lata Menon, the director of over a dozen documentaries and wife to famous cinematographer Rajiv Menon, feature films look like the next logical step ahead, and it might not be too late before she forays into that field as well.
You would also like to tread on fiction as well sometime in your life, and that's when possibly I'd be ready to do a feature film, which I think shortly, possibly in a year or two. I enjoy feature films. I love watching them. I have many favorite filmmakers like Guru Dutt, and I love, there's a new Turkish-German director called Fateh Akin and Wong Kar-wai. They're all my favorites. And you can do anything possible on a feature film, and I truly enjoy doing them, watching them, and I hopefully should be making one soon.
We can just wait with bated breath for Lata's full-length feature film to hit the screen. With that, we have come to the end of this episode of the Metroplus show. Once again, the Metroplus team here at NDTV Hindu is eagerly waiting for your comments and feedback. So mail us at feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. See you again next week.